If keeping track of your assets or inventory feels like a challenge, knowing where items are, who's using them, or when they need maintenance, we've got a solution for you. Meet Hector, a cloud-based solution designed to help organizations manage their assets efficiently. With its intuitive interface, Hector lets you centralize all types of equipment by category and model, giving you a clear view of your inventory, where it is, and how much you have at all times. At a glance, you can see where each item is located or who it's assigned to. And for even more detail, Hector keeps a complete record for every employee, including a full history of their assigned equipment. With our mobile app, you simplify manual tracking by quickly assigning assets to employees using the scan feature. You can then obtain electronic confirmation from your employees to make them accountable for their loaned equipment, or simply to have them sign a loan agreement. As a bonus, you can even be notified if equipment has not yet been entered on their file. If you're concerned about forgetting to update data in real time, an inventory counting module is available and allows you to scan your equipment by location to identify potential discrepancies and, above all, update the location of your assets in an easy and fast way. If you have equipment that can be shared among your resources, Hector also offers you clear visibility into your equipment rotation planning. You'll be able to view your available quantities based on upcoming loans and project, and to simplify everything, an online reservation catalog is also available for users. Beyond improving asset traceability, Hector also gives you clear visibility into key indicators. You'll receive alerts when assets need to be replaced, when preventative maintenance is due, or when supplies reach their minimum stock threshold. Hector isn't limited to hardware management. It also helps you track software licenses, giving you insight on your expenses, licenses in use, and upcoming renewals. All of this information is easily accessible through Hector's dashboard, automated email notifications, or detailed reports that can be exported directly to Excel. And if you're worried about having to enter data manually, a data import module lets you upload your existing inventory, while integrations with various management consoles allow your items to sync automatically every day. The same goes for our users, who can be added and updated automatically through the synchronization method of your choice. Don't waste any more time with Excel files. Revamp your equipment management with Hector to maximize your investments and increase efficiency. Contact our team today, and we'll be happy to assist you with your project.